Hey guys, I'm back with another simple, easy and powerful pocket option 5-second strategy that anyone can use right after watching this video. And as I say in all of my video, no matter whichever strategy you learn, either from me or from some other YouTuber or from some paid course, firstly test that strategy properly in your demo account. And if you think it is working for you in your demo account, then only use it in your real account. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. This strategy is going to be a little bit risky, but it's worth trying. Okay, it's worth testing. Firstly, test it properly in your demo account. So firstly, what you need to do is select this time frame to S5. Okay, in any currency pair, select this time frame S5 and decide the investment amount, how much you want to invest. Okay, and then just click on here. Okay, and then make lots of these assets favorite so that it appears at here. Okay, in this way. Okay, so once you have done this much, make sure the time frame is 5 seconds. Okay, now the strategy is extremely simple. Firstly, I'll make some trade and then I'll make you understand how this trade works. So I'll decrease this investment amount to $10. So yes, and this candle should also be a 5 second. Okay, sorry, I didn't tell you at the beginning. This should be S5. Okay, so all of these candles are forming in 5 seconds. So now you can make trade in lower at here. So this is correct. So let's go to another pair. So let's wait for another candle. Click on higher. So it made a little bit high. It became a little bit high. So two trade already won. So how this strategy works is wherever the market is going, okay, so it is going up, you make trade on higher whenever the candle starts. Okay, and if this candle is going down, if the market is going down, then you should go in lower. Okay, so for example, let's say a 3 second, 2 second, 1 second, now another candle will start, click on higher. Okay, make trade by clicking on higher. In this way you need to make trade. Of course, now your 100% of your trade are not going to be right, but maximum of the time you'll find that your trades are going to be right with this strategy. Okay, so this is going up, so let's click on higher, and this also went right. So let's say this is also going higher, so let's wait for another candle. It also became right. In this way you can trade.